What is goody, my gang? Welcome to my first VR video. Today, I am a monkey. As you can see, I'm a monkey. Today we'll be playing monkey tag. And I'll be playing with my stepbrother Riri. Very dear to me. Today we're just gonna be exploring the new updates and shit. And he said he knew something about the moon, so let's go check that out. Yeah. Yo, Riri, where you at, bro?
On top of stuff, I think I found something spectacular, buddy.
Spectacular, you say? I'm coming.
I found something spectacular, actually. It's spectacular, actually.
Someone needs to shut the fuck up. Alright, so what the fuck is... So what is this spectacular thing that you said?
So I've been doing my readings. So supposedly, spectacularly, if I've been watching my readings, and we're supposed to pray to this moon god. Supposedly, I don't know what the moon god is, but we're gonna be doing this. So according to my calculations, we're supposed to jump on this, right?
It looks like you're stroking it. So we're supposed to pray to that thing that looks like my asshole, like when it gets stitched up or something?
Yes, supposedly.
It just looks like my asshole when, like, it got ripped or something. What's that noise?
It's happening.
The fuck?
Oh my fucking god.
We went to 1785, bro. What the fuck?
Yo, it's zero gravity. Look.
What the fuck? Is this what crackheads feel like? Like lucid dreaming feels like? I want to try this shit.
Whoa, look at this. This is spectacular.
Why do you keep doing that voice, little bro?
Cause I'm a nerd. Nerds do this voice cause it's called acting.
Acting for what?
Because I'm a nerd. Hypothetically. Oh, fucking shit.
Yo, what the fuck was that?
Oh, fucking no. Oh, fucker.
Flying fuck knuckles. I say fuck way too much.
Watch out, that's Lucy. Lucy, come here.
Who's Lucy?
Come here, Lucy.
Yo, he's getting molested, bro. Yo, get off my mans. Yo, his head, bro. He got molested way too good. He has no head. Yo, what's wrong with you, bro? Yo, where'd he go? Oh. Riri? Doug, come here. Yo, Doug, the bug. Fuck. Oh, he gone. Yo. Bro has not been watered. He is crusty as shit. Hell nah. I don't touch that. I gotta go wash my hands now. First, I gotta find where Riri went. I don't even know. I mean, he does have, like, very, very shitty internet sometimes, so that's probably it. Well, I'm gonna end it there. Thank you for watching. Oh, hello? Never mind. He's back. I'm not gonna end it. Because I'm not emo. Riri. I got food.
moon
Oh, there we go.
teleported me
There we go. See,
into-
that's how you got him here. That's good, bro. So yeah, I ain't believe that. So you got, we went into a lucid dream and you got molested. What else do you think we could do?
We can go gorilla tag hunting. We can go to the hood.
The hood?
Let's go to the
Alright.
hood.
Chicago?
The hood.
See if anything's new in this update. I remember when this came out, it was kind of just a map, nothing special at all. Was that a penis?
According to my calculations, 9/11 happened here.
Yo. No, it didn't though.
Then why is there one tower and why is it getting rebuilded? Fucking shit.
Bro's stroking his shit. Probably because this is like where the King Kong movie happened, or it was like a big monkey.
Motherfucker, you push me.
Yo, my crusted asshole is back in the sky.
My legs are crippled.
Okay, Joe. Joe Swanson.
My legs are crippled.
Fuck. This shaft is so small. I'm gonna just give up on this shit. Ooh, what's that? Hat, you got murked, little bro. I don't like you, Lucy. So what? Just. Oh,
It's happening.
Yo, my crusted asshole's opening up again. Yo, Riri, there's eyes, bro. Riri, there's like 2 floating eyes right here. Riri. I see 2 floating eyes. Like, not the big one. Look. Got little tiny ones. No, there
There's a
isn't.
person right there.
Where?
That thing.
It's
What is
2
that?
eyeballs, bro. Wait, hold on. No, it's a dick. It's a dick. You can't. Yeah, I made it a dick. Yeah, that's kind of fun, though. I feel sick, but